Hello and welcome to PMCLounge.com. Today we are continuing our discussion on the salary survey report that is from PMI. Again, a very exhaustive report wherein it covers almost all the countries of the world and how much salary you can expect as a PMP certified project manager or just a professional in the project management industry. So we have already covered United States and we have already covered India. We are now looking at Saudi Arabia, and we are basically covering countries where most of the traffic on the pmclounge.com website as well as the YouTube channel, which is youtube.com/pmclounge. Subscribe to us, by the way, if you haven't done so already, comes from. So this is where the traffic comes from. So you are, I am assuming, either watching from US, India, Saudi Arabia, and we are also going to cover some other countries like Canada and UAE, wherein we get a lot of traffic from. So if you're not from any of these countries, then definitely go ahead, download your own free copy of this report from pmi.org. I'll share the direct link to the report in the description below. So go ahead, download it, read it for yourself. Today, let's cover Saudi Arabia. How much can you make as a project manager in Saudi Arabia? So here's the report. I have a local copy of it with me. And let's just quickly check on how many respondents has this report considered from Saudi Arabia. And if you can see, let me quickly take up the marker here. If you can see, Saudi Arabia, the number of respondents used to be 258 in the 6th edition, but this is the 10th edition and we have 414 respondents from Saudi Arabia who have participated in this report, in the making of this report. All right, let's get ahead. Let's get down to the numbers, something that you have been waiting for. Let's talk about the annualized salary. The median salary in Saudi Arabia is, here we go. So there it is. Saudi Arabia, the median salary that you can expect to make in Saudi Arabia in terms of US dollars per annum is 63,979. That's the median salary of a project manager. Now, going down further, by the years of experience. So, if you have the experience, how much can you expect to earn? So, in Saudi Arabia, if you have less than 3 years of experience, you can expect to earn 36,000 odd US dollars. 3 to 5, 45,000 US dollars. 5 to 10 years, 63,000 US dollars. 10 to 15 years is 79, close to 80,000 US dollars. And then 15 to 20, you can expect to make 95,000 odd US dollars per annum. This is, and over 20 years of experience, you can expect to make 118,000 US dollars. So that is what you can expect if you are a project manager in Saudi Arabia. Now, in terms of PMP certification status, right? The previous number was just your own professional experience. This is PMP certification. Now, let's say you are PMP certified and you are a project manager in Saudi Arabia. So you can expect to make somewhere around 69,844 US dollars. If you're a non-PMP, you can expect to make 57,581 US dollars. So an improvement of 21% if you're a PMP certified in Saudi Arabia. Here you can see last column 57,581 if you're a non-PMP, 69,844 if you're a PMP. Now, if your PMP is less than 5 years old, you can expect to make 61,000 US dollars. If it is 5 to 10 years old, you can expect to make 94,000 US dollars. If you are a PMP certified project manager for more than 10 years, you can expect to make 97,000 US dollars. So these are the numbers from Saudi Arabia, and of course then there are positions that you can definitely see for yourself. These positions, right? The project management consultant, specialist, project manager 1, 2, 3, program manager, portfolio manager might not exactly be the positions in your own organization. So you can do a mix and match and then you can see for yourself. Let's talk about Saudi Arabia as a country, the numbers just for the country. Let me go over to page 189. It says, which I believe is going to be 191 or 192. Yeah, so 192 on this PDF. Saudi Arabia, these are the detailed findings. median salary of 240,000 Saudi riyal. So this is not in USD, this is in Saudi riyal. And you can see detailed report here in terms of Saudi Arabia if you wish to. So that's pretty much it that I had in this video. Hope you were, and again, this is going to be useful if you are a project manager in Saudi Arabia. You can compare how much you're making versus how much you're worth. Or if you're someone who is looking to move to Saudi Arabia for a job in the project management industry. So this is what you can expect to make. So that's all that we had in this video. Subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon. Do hit the like button if you enjoyed the video. Check us out on pnclounge.com, your number one free resource for PMP and other project management certifications, as well as project management industry information. Thank you.